Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of 398 Parrot Street, number 304. It's a great third floor condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and I'm going to give you just a quick tour so you can see how awesome this place is. Okay, when we come in the door, we've got our gigantic closet with these beautiful glass doors, and then what every condo needs and wants. Laundry room, woohoo! Look at the floors, brand new floors, evidence of brand new paint. New floors throughout the entire condo. It is bright, sunny, fresh paint everywhere. This lighting fixture is just gorgeous. We're going to take a look at the newly remodeled kitchen, all new appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, faucet, new countertops, stove, everything. The stone is just gorgeous. Look at that. Nice. First bedroom over here. We basically have two master suites here. We've got this fully renovated bathroom for bedroom number 1. Beautiful. Another big closet over here. Come on out. Living room in the middle, so you have some privacy between the two bedrooms. Actually a very nice view of nature out on the balcony. Take a look at that. The paint color is warm, inviting, matches the floors perfectly. So then we have, these floors match each other, but this one you go over to a waterproof floor to this renovated bathroom number 2. Beautiful vanities. Another big closet right here. And you've got this little closet door and then, ta-da, beautiful walk-in closet, lots of space. So there you have it, 398 Parrot Street, number 304. Beautiful condo in San Leandro, right in the middle of downtown, 1 block from BART. Hope you'll come and take a look at it.